are SNAPBAGs designed by the same people that invented the GRIPSTIC. They're made of 100% food-grade silicone, so they're very soft, very pliable. We're going to use them to store food, steam food, and reheat our food that you currently have cooked. So here's how they work. You fold it over, 1 click, 2 click. Now we have an airtight seal inside the bag. Nothing gets in or out of that bag. That's very important because we're going to control the environment of which you're going to store your food in. For an example, apples go brown in about 20 minutes. Put them inside the bag here, lock them, seal them airtight. 3 days later, they will not be brown. Cucumbers, cut them up, have them ready to eat and snack on. You'll eat healthier. Into the bag, 8 to 10 days on cucumbers on the bags. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries go 8 days and longer on that. This stuff will go 10, 12 days. But now we're going to turn them into pressure cookers. In the bag they go. No water's required. All the moisture and all the nutrients is inside the food. We're going to lock it up and seal it airtight. Now we're going to cook this under pressure, 100% locked and sealed airtight in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Out will come perfectly done broccoli, cauliflower,
so
carrots.
These are perfect right there. They're done.
That's right. These will never go bad. So even corn on the cob. My wife loves corn on the cob. No water's required. Right inside the bag. Boom. Lock it up 3 minutes. Perfectly roasted corn on the cob. I prefer to have Cajun seasoning on mine. So you season your corn, put it in the bag. 3 minutes later, you have corn on the cob. Now, these are meant to operate as pressure cookers in the microwave. They're going to double in size. The first time you use them, they're going to scare the daylights out of you. Lock it up in the microwave. They're going to double in size. Pressure cook your food in a fraction of the time, and we're pushing the moisture back in. Great for marinades and raw meats inside here. Raw meat, marinades. Lock it up airtight because they don't leak. Nothing will leak out of here.
Are they going to retain the flavor of that marinade?
No smell inside. So I can have onions and peppers one day. The next day I've got berries. The next day I've got fish, and I'm doing steaming shrimp inside of here. They're dishwasher safe, top shelf or bottom shelf, or make him wash them. We don't care. All right, the reheat's a game changer. In the reheat department, we typically cook food and then we have to put them in a container. We reheat them in the container. The lid pops off. The food is horrible inside there. With the SNAPBAGs, you take them right off the grill, sizzling hot because silicone doesn't melt. 1 click, 2 click. I now put them in the refrigerator. I have my meal already done for the next 3 days, or I can go ahead and take the air out of it. I released one of the valves or latches. Now I created an airtight vacuum seal, and in the freezer I'll put it for a week or 2 from now. What's great about this, the reheat is only 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Out will come perfectly medium rare hamburgers, perfect medium rare chops. Chicken will be more moist because again we're pushing the moisture back into the food, cooking under pressure. This is how we store them. That's it.
That is
Today
nice.
We all have issues, some more than others. We have a lid management issue. This lid doesn't fit that, and you have lids and containers all over your cabinet.
Right now.
Not
anymore.
Everybody does. So watch this. 6 of them take that amount of space. That's it.
And one top fits all.
That's it. Yep. And the lids.
No need
great.
for lids.
The lids come with them. They're attached. Nobody can screw that up. Like GRIPSTICs, they're guaranteed for a lifetime guarantee. They'll never wear out. They'll never break. If you break one, we replace it. You'll absolutely love it.
Show us how to clean it.
Pardon?
Show us how to take it apart and clean it.
Yeah, you can take them apart and clean them. You don't need to. If you want to, take them apart and clean them. It's real simple. Just go like this, crack it in the center, and they come right apart.
Okay.
They're great. They're easy to use. I like them for the cooler because I can lock my meats inside there. I pull it out of the cooler. I know it's airtight. If I do something with a baggie like that, all the
water's getting in.
Yeah. So the GRIPSTIC folks have been busy at work inventing another product that works fabulous.